Hi everyone, Nigel Saunders here. Today I'm going to be doing lots of cement casting. I won't show you the casting because I've shown it before. So I'm going to work away all morning. I'm going to cast my pillars. I'm going to cast my sprites. This one. And my center blocks for the temple base here, or the midsection. So I'll get to work casting cement and we'll come back and see how it turned out. I've been casting away. I have 4 columns cast. I've got 1 sprite cast here and 1 sprite cast in the rectangular base, the carbonite. So I think I'm going to scrap these other 2 figures over here. I was looking at the cement and it's still really brittle, and if you use your fingernail you can scrape it away. So I think it just didn't harden very well. I think it's just too soft. And so I'm not going to use those. So I need to cast lots more sprites. So I'll see how this one comes out, and then I'll continue. It's after lunch now, and hopefully my cement has hardened. So I'll start taking it out of the molds and see how it turned out. I'm going to start with my block here, just because it's easy. I just have to take the top strip off, the side strips, and the bottom strip, and there it is. The cement looks good and hard, so that'll be good for the temple. Now, the next, I think I'm going to open up some columns. I'm trying to think which ones I cast first. I think it was these ones. So I'll open them up very carefully, hopefully not breaking them in half. I've been having some not so good luck with my casting lately. Everything breaking in half. And maybe it was just my cement was too runny, or I added water to it after. So far, it's coming out nicely. There we are. There is cement column number 1. I don't know if that'll focus on that, but there it is. So that's great. That's fantastic. I'll put that right over here. Put my plasticine over here. Let's open up the next one. This is very encouraging so far. I'm having good luck. Nothing's broken. Now these pieces will need a bit of cleanup, of course, but okay, this one is coming out now. There it is. Okay, there's column number 2. That looks good. Yeah. Now, do I dare open up my sprite here? I think I will. All right, here I go. This is the test. So I made this cement kind of not real runny, not real thick. I mixed it up thoroughly, poured it in quickly. So I'm hoping it doesn't break. I'm hoping it doesn't break. Please don't break. I'll move the end cap here. That's where the legs are tucked under. I don't know. I hope this works. Wasn't having too much good luck with casting these sprites. I had some initial success with my first one. My second one came out okay, and then not so good. I don't know if this is going to work or not. I don't want to break it. What do you want, kitty? The mold is coming off. So far it's still in one piece. There we go. Okay. Well, that's a pretty good casting, actually. The excess needs removing around the edges, but yeah, that's not too bad. That's a good sprite. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. That's not very good. I have to make a lot more. Okay, so I've got 2 more columns to remove from the molds here. So I'll have enough columns. I've got 2 of these centerpieces cast, so I have columns for each side of them. So I can put that together today, which will be kind of cool. And hopefully it looks good. If it doesn't, you know, I'll treat this as a learning experience. And if I ever make another temple, I'll learn from my mistakes. I'll probably mold it more accurately, maybe sculpt more. Okay, this is coming out. So far it's looking good. Come on. There it is. Oh, that one turned out nice too. So there's another good column. Yeah, they look pretty good. I'm quite happy with the columns. One more to go. Okay, so there's my last column there. It's not too bad. I wouldn't say that's the best one. It's got a bit of a void here. But it's okay. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I've got 4 good columns here. My sprites. There's a close-up look at my castings for today. Yeah, the detail's fairly good in the columns. All right, I'm going to start mocking one up and seeing how it looks. I'll, file down my edges on the columns to make them a little more square, taking some of this flashing off. You can chip some of it off with your hands. It's just really thin. Yeah, I'll clean them up, and then maybe I'll even cement them, against the temple face here today. So maybe there'll be one each side here. Let's see how it looks. Let me just see what they look like now. I don't know which is the top and bottom. I'll put this at the top. I just want to see how it's looking here. There's a really rough look at kind of what it'll look like. I think it's looking good. Whoops. Be careful, Nigel. Be careful. All right, I'll do some cleanup work and then we'll get to cementing. I've got all the pieces filed up and finished, so now I'm ready to cement some of it together. Here's an idea of what the temple will look like, or at the moment anyway. Yeah, it's getting pretty fancy. I've got my second middle block cemented in place, so now I'm going to put the columns each side. I've got the pillars cemented in place on 2 sides now, so it's looking good. So I've got to do some more casting. I need more pillars. I need 4 more pillars, 2 more centerpieces, and a whole bunch of sprites. So I've got a sprite for each corner here. But I need 1, 2, 3, 4 more. So I'll get to work casting those. I'm really happy with the base so far. I think it's going to look awesome with a ficus tree growing over top of the temple with the roots coming down, and it should look pretty cool in the future. I've cast 3 more sprites here. It kind of looks like Invasion of the Body Snatchers. Out of these pods will come a human. So I'll let those dry. I I was going to cast my last one, but I ran out of cement, so I'll have to go and get some more. So I'll be back in a while. Once again, we have a nice sunny day today. So I've got all my trees down on the floor here getting sunshine. So I'm going to come back. I'm still waiting for the sprites to dry, so I'm just letting them dry, and then after the sun goes down, I'll come back and take them out of the molds. And I've still got to cast one more sprite and 4 more pillars. So I'll be doing some more casting tonight. I've got 2 of the sprites out of the molds now. So this was my... Which one was my first one? This was my first one. And it came out quite nice. This is my second one. Yeah, they're both good castings. So I've got one more to open up now. So I'll start taking the bottom piece off like that. And these castings, I tried to make them a little deeper so it wraps around the figure a little more. So you can see, compared to this one, how the casting's a little deeper. It doesn't look, this one looks kind of like it's cut off at the back. And these ones kind of wrap around a little more. So, where was I here? Here I am. I think part of the problem I had was when I was casting them before, I would mix my cement up and then I'd run over and start the camera and point it, and I think just that time, starting the camera up and the cement would kind of harden a bit. So I think by not videoing it, I think my castings improved. I think they got better. And I made sure I got the cement to the right consistency too. Not too runny, not too firm. And it seems to have worked out really well. Yeah, once you get that cement mixed up, you don't get much time to put it in the mold. Okay, so that one turned out okay. The legs kind of got squished together for some reason. However, it's good. I mean, it makes every sprite a little different from each other, so they don't all look exactly the same. Yeah, so there's another good one. So I have 3 new sprites, a 4th one here, and I need one more to go. So I'll cast that tonight. I've been busy casting pieces for the midsection of the temple, and I have all the pieces cast now. I have 4 columns, 1 more sprite, and 2 of these center platforms. So that's every piece I need to put it all together. So I just have to wait for these to dry, and I might have to do it overnight. I just poured it now. So I think I'll do all the assembly tomorrow morning, putting the ones in the corners, finishing all the way around the temple, the mid part of it. And that'll be a good chunk of this project done. I'm really happy with all the detail in the midsection. I think it's going to bring the whole temple to life. I didn't get everything done that I was hoping to get done today, but I think I made a lot of progress. I cast a lot of parts successfully. I started assembling the mid part of the temple, and I'm happy with the progress. So that's all for tonight. I'm Nigel Saunders. Thanks for joining me in the Bonsai Zone.